Hey everybody, this is Chris from the SUMURI software team, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your RECON ITR updated to support M1 booting. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to the SUMURI website, and at the top right corner you'll see this little button that says Software Updates. So head over to that website and hit the Download Now button for the latest version of RECON Imager, and you'll be taken to an Amazon Workdocs page. So go ahead and hit Download a Copy. And while you're there, go ahead and download the latest version of the RECON ITR application as well. So hit download now, and same thing, just hit download a copy. Once you have both of those downloaded, go ahead and open up your downloads folder, and you should have these two zip files right here. So go ahead and unzip the RECON Imager 601D3 first, and we're going to run through the process with that one first. So in that folder, you should have two DMGs, a RECON Imager Updater and a Offline Updater mode. So go ahead and double click on the RECON Imager Updater, and inside you'll see this handy Imager Updater app. Go ahead and launch that, and it will pop up a warning message that will say this app is downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So go ahead and hit open. And here you go, the latest version of the RECON Imager Updater. As a side note, you will want to be running on the latest version of macOS. If you can't get to the latest version, then at least getting to macOS Monterey is going to help you out the most. The other thing that you want to make a note of is to back up any data that's on your ITR drive that you wouldn't want to lose. So just go ahead and do that before proceeding with the Imager update. Go ahead and type in the admin password of your machine and hit OK. And it'll pop up a file browser where you'll have to locate the Offline Updater DMG. So it'll most likely be in your Downloads folder, in the RECON Imager folder, and the Offline Updater DMG should be right here. So go ahead and hit Open to proceed, and it'll go ahead and start repartitioning your drive and adding all of the bootable modes that you guys are familiar with the Samsung Duo USB. So if you guys are familiar with, or if you guys are current users of RECON ITR, then modes A, B, C, and D on the T7, the functionality of those is still going to be handled by your Samsung Duo 32GB or 64GB drive. So all of the Intel booting capabilities are still going to be handled on that drive. Or if you are a new or renewing customer of RECON ITR, then modes A and A through D are going to function on your T7 drive as expected. For current users of RECON ITR, the only ones that you guys have to worry about are going to be RECON Imager Mode M and the RECON ITR partition. So once the updater is finished, you should see this update successful, and please download the latest version of ITR from the following link. We already downloaded that, so we're going to basically just look at this zip file right here, RECON ITR 114A5. Double click on that to expand it to this folder, and you will see this RECON ITR DMG right here. Go ahead and double click on the latest ITR updater DMG, and you should see this RECON ITR.app. So we're not going to run it from here. What we're actually going to do is click it and drag it over to the RECON ITR partition. So we're going to slap it in there, and we're going to hit replace if we're prompted. You either will be prompted, and if you are, then hit replace. If you aren't, then you're good to go. So I was prompted. I'm going to go ahead and hit replace. And once it's done, at that point, my ITR drive is fully updated and fully functioning. So at this point, you are ready to go ahead and get booting with M1 Max, or you're totally ready to run the live application or the live updater on whichever Mac you want to run it on. So if you guys have any other questions or are confused about any of the topics that were covered in this video, then feel free to reach out to a member of our team, and we'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.